While Windows today still cover the basics, innovations in window design mean that they've come a long way in terms of safety, energy efficiency, durability, and aesthetics. Typically, all windows manufactured today will do a better job reducing sound when compared to windows of a decade or century ago, as technology is improving instantly from Windows 1.0 to now Windows 10. There are uncountable innovations and features. Today we will be counting top Windows 10 tips and tricks you didn't know. So welcome to Tech Insight. Whether you've been using Windows 10 for years or have only recently upgraded, there are plenty of new tips, tricks, and hidden features to learn that will make using your laptop every day faster and smoother. Learning to be quicker and more productive on your laptop may be especially appealing with so many of us still working from home due to the coronavirus pandemic, or just spending more time on our laptops in general. Finding the secret start menu and saving battery power with simple tricks are great ways to get more out of your machine. If you want to be updated about top tech deals and gadgets, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and make sure you click that bell icon to be notified of when we post next. Let's begin with the top Windows 10 tricks and tips you didn't know. Number 1. Create an event without opening the calendar app. Windows 10's latest update lets you quickly add events to your Microsoft Calendar directly from your taskbar, without actually having to open the calendar at all. Let's see how to do it. On your taskbar, click the box with the time and date in it in the right corner. Click the date when you want to schedule an event. Enter the event name, time, and location. If you have multiple calendars, click the down arrow next to the field name to choose the one you want to save it to. Click Save. The event should appear in your calendar app across your devices. Yes, it is this easy. Number 2. Virtual desktops. Task View, known popularly as Virtual Desktop or VD, was added as a mainstream feature in Windows 10. And trust me, virtual desktops can boost the productivity levels. In simple words, you get to have many desktops on your system, which you can easily traverse using some handy keyboard shortcuts. There are a lot of third-party apps that let you have VDs, but a native one surely beats the odds when it comes to stability and accessibility. The choice is yours on how you utilize this space. For starters, you can have a work desktop and an entertainment hub. The Task View icon next to the Start menu can also be accessed via the following shortcuts. The keyboard shortcuts for virtual desktops are Open Task View, Windows plus Tab, New Desktop, Windows plus Control plus D. Close the current desktop, Window plus Control plus F4. Scroll through VDs, Window plus Control plus right left. Number 3. Record your PC. Previously, capturing a screenshot or recording a screencast wasn't possible without the use of third-party software. However, that's not the case with Windows 10. All you have to do is press Window plus G and you will be presented with the tiny Windows game bar with all the necessary options, courtesy of the Xbox app. The keyboard shortcut trick for this is Windows plus G plus print screen, screenshot, Windows plus Alt plus R, screen recordings. Number 4. Find my device. Ever face the exasperation of tracking a lost device or silent phone? Well, Windows offers a choice from where one can track the last known location of a device. It works similarly to Google's Device Manager. Compared to phone tracking, this device has its limitations. It'll need your Microsoft account to log you in, and once done, the last known location of a PC can be tracked. However, unlike Google's Device Manager, you won't be able to lock or wipe your device. Number 5. Shut down background apps. Apps that run in the background can receive info, send notifications, and stay updated, even when you aren't using them, which can be useful but also suck your battery and your data if you're connected via a mobile hotspot. To control which apps are running in the background and save some battery power and data, go to Settings, Privacy, Background Apps. To stop all apps from running in the background, toggle Let Apps Run in the Background to Off. It will save a lot of your PC's battery life. Before we continue, make sure you're subscribed to our channel for more content like this in the future. And don't forget to click that bell icon to stay updated of when we post next. Enjoy the rest! Number 6. Use background scrolling. With Windows 10, you can scroll up and down on any window, even if it's not the one you're directly working on. This is a useful tool if you have a lot of windows open and you want to look through them at the same time. For example, if you want to open a new sub-menu option in the new windows to save you time by clicking back and forth on the same page. Try opening two programs, say an internet browser page and a notepad or Word document. Arrange both on the screens so you can see at least some of the text on each. While you're in one window, hover your mouse or use the touchpad to move the second window and scroll. Even though you aren't active in that window, it should allow you to move up and down the page. This feature should be on by default. But if it isn't, go to Settings, Devices, Mouse, and toggle Scroll in active windows when I hover on them onto On. Then you can place your mouse over a window that's in the background and use the scroll wheel to scroll. Number 7. Show file extensions and File Explorer. Microsoft hides file extensions by default, which makes life difficult for those who need to look up specific types of files, like JPEGs or JPGs. To see file extensions in File Explorer, do the following. Go to the search bar at the bottom of the screen and type in File Explorer options and click it. In the window that pops up, click the View tab. Uncheck the box that says Hide extensions for known file types. Click Apply and OK. You should now see file extensions for all files in the File Explorer. You can also use the File Explorer options menu to choose to show empty drives, hidden files, and folders, and more. Number 8. Filter clipboard contents in Command Prompt. Now that the Command Prompt lets you copy and paste texts in a jiffy, chances are that you might end up copying stuff straight from a browser. And there are equal chances that those texts may have some special characters or an added tab. So what do you do with the unwanted content? Remove them manually? Nah, that's way too old. Well, there's a nice little feature in the Command Prompt properties, which automatically removes tabs and unsupported special characters from the copied text, when it's enabled at least. Number 9. Dark Theme. The Windows Dark Theme is one of the newer features of the Windows 10 operating system. It comes in a time when most of us are bored with just the ordinary look. Initially, the darker theme could be enabled through the registry, but now it can be achieved with just a few clicks. Head over to Settings, Personalization, Colors, scroll down, and choose Dark as the app mode. The dark mode would appear mostly in the Settings window though, but you can explore the other features of this mode and end up with a very different looking desktop. Number 10. Figure out how much space apps are taking up. Computers start running slower as they grow short on space. One way to speed them up may be to be getting rid of apps that take up more space than they should, especially if you don't regularly use them. To see how much space an app uses, navigate to Settings, System, Storage. Click on the drive you want to search, like the local storage, this PC, and click Apps and Games to see a list of apps installed on your machine and how much space they are taking up. You probably won't get rid of your browser, but you might find that a game you haven't played in years is some good dead weight to drop. So these were our top Windows 10 tips and tricks you didn't know. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you can join the Tech Insight squad and be a part of our channel. Thanks for watching!